Happy New Year, crypto enthusiasts. It's January 2nd, 2025, and we're diving headfirst into what the next workday could bring for the world of cryptocurrency. If you're looking to kick off your year with smart decisions, stick around because today's analysis might just give you the edge you need. Let's get started. First, let's quickly recap what happened today in the crypto market. Bitcoin bounced back above $35,000 after a slight dip during the holiday season. Ethereum saw a 3% uptick, reclaiming the $1,800 mark. Meanwhile, Solana continued its recent rally, climbing 5% to hit $22.50. Altcoins like Cardano and Avalanche also posted gains, but the star of the day was Polkadot, which surged nearly 10% after a major partnership announcement. The overall crypto market cap edged up to $1.75 trillion, signaling growing investor confidence as we step into 2025. Now, let's talk about what's driving these movements. Over the past week, we've seen a steady decline in the dollar index, which usually benefits crypto. The Federal Reserve's recent comments suggest a pause in interest rate hikes, creating a friendlier environment for risk-on assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. On the geopolitical side, easing tensions in the European energy markets have boosted investor sentiment globally. And let's not forget the impact of institutional investors. Reports indicate that some major funds have been quietly increasing their crypto holdings over the past quarter. Alright, time to look ahead. What can we expect tomorrow? Here's the forecast. Bitcoin, we're watching the $36,000 resistance level closely. If BTC breaks above this, it could test $37,500. However, a failure to hold its current level might push it back to $34,000. Keep an eye on trading volumes. Higher activity during the first week of the year often sets the tone for Q1. Ethereum, with ETH hovering near $1,800, the key level to watch is $1,850. Breaking that could pave the way to $1,950. If support falters, a dip to $1,750 isn't out of the question. Altcoins, Solana and Polkadot are looking bullish. Solana's next target is $25, while Polkadot could see $6.50 if momentum holds. Newcomers, watch for Aptos, APT, and Arbitrum, ARB. Both have shown promising setups and might surprise us with a breakout. News can make or break the market, so here are the headlines to watch tomorrow. Regulatory developments. The SEC is set to announce updates on spot Bitcoin ETF applications. A positive ruling could fuel a market-wide rally. Tech partnerships. Rumors are swirling about a major partnership involving Chainlink. Keep an ear to the ground. Earnings season. Tesla's upcoming earnings report might indirectly impact Bitcoin due to its BTC holdings. Finally, let's talk strategy. If you're trading Bitcoin or Ethereum, consider setting tight stop losses to protect against volatility. For altcoin enthusiasts, focus on projects with strong fundamentals and recent developments. And remember, the crypto market never sleeps, so manage your risk wisely. That's all for today's deep dive into January 2nd, 2025, and the forecast for tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for daily updates, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out. Drop a comment below with your predictions for the next big mover in crypto. See you tomorrow. Let's make it a profitable day.